Hi, all of you over there. So, as you can see, I need to record today putting the mask on. Reason being, this COVID has really taken a very, very bad shape here. So, this our recording studio. Yesterday one mentor was recording who's tested positive. We really don't know because everybody is now getting affected. In fact, past couple of days, this Nitty Bombay interviews were going on, and I was mentoring and preparing students for interview. Let me share with you that out of every 10 students, I actually prepared some 4 to 500 students for this interview. So out of every 10 students, I was finding two students suffering from COVID. They were coughing, they were telling that, sir, this is the COVID we are suffering from. And that is quite, what I'll say, demotivating, because young students going for interviews suffering from COVID and all, this is something which is very bad. So let me request all of you first to be safe, be inside your room, be inside your house, keep preparing, keep focus, keep your focus on your career. Is quite demoralizing, I understand, because everybody in the family, I mean somebody or the else in the family is suffering from this. So you need to take precaution, because life should move on. Because I was thinking, like, should I take lecture, shouldn't I take lecture, and then we discussed that it has to move on. We cannot stop working, because if we stop working, then we will defeat ourselves. So maintain the precaution, maintain all the precautions the way we are doing. I know it is uncomfortable to teach also this way, especially for hours together classes of technical when we teach, and also for students to listen. There's a little disturbance in listening also, but we have to bear with this. Anyway, let me tell you, this my video, I wanted to request you to be safe, and at the same time, uh, virus should not win. Your motivation, your encouragement should win. So keep pushing. Today is the 30th April, is the last day for applications in majority of IITs. I think IIT Madras was the last main IIT for which we have to submit the applications today. And with this, it's a culmination, completion of main IITs. I think IIT Mandi or something, new IITs, one or two are left. But largely it is a culmination of applications to be filled for IIT system. Now COAP will start, and those of you who have not got call with a very low score or something from IITs, though many have got from courses like MTech, MS, PhD, those of you who have not got, there's a very big opportunity for CCMT ahead, very big opportunity for CCMT, because many less students are even aware, very less students are aware that in IITs also, there NITs also, and triple ITs which are through CCMT, there are so many departments, and MTech, MS, PhD, many departments are there, and direct PhD courses are there, and lot of opportunities are there in NITs also and triple ITs also. So those of you who have not so far attained, and also those of you who have applied in IITs, because there are some 7 8 NITs which are better than the new IITs. So old NITs, southern NITs versus the new IITs, that kind of thing is always there. So those of you who will get admission in new IITs, and also at the same time in old NITs, and suppose you get communication one place, VLSI another place, you get design at one place, you get manufacturing at another place. So these kind of things also will keep on going. So next phase now, May and June, is the phase for a lot of interviews. IITs are starting their interviews from mid-May now. I think mid-May, there are interviews in IIT Bombay, and followed by May and June will be hectic season for interviews. And prepare well for interviews, because if you've got the call for interview, especially for MS and PhD courses, you have a very good chance if you perform nicely in interviews. And followed by application for CCMT, and going for let's say till spot round of CCMT, and even spot round of COAP or IITs. So those things are there. So this counseling activities still is still lot of things are to be done. So gear up for that, and keep preparing, keep applying, so that at the end of the day, I think let's say 2 3 months down the line when things situation improves, you should be in some kind of course in some of the IITs or NITs and doing good at your place in this particular situation. So now I request you again to be safe and keep learning. Let the life move. Let's grow forward, keeping yourself and your family safe. Thank you.